Did you get it, baby? Let me see. Let me see you. Why are you so cute? Hold on. Hold on, little snapper. There you go. I love when she throws up in there and catches it in the cone. That's amazing. She's almost got it. Back up. Back up. Back up, sweet girl. Oh, you got it. Good girl. Did you get that? Did you get it, baby girl? The best part of you getting spayed is this right here.